Hi, this is Dr. Patrick Jones from the HomeGrown Herbalist School, and I was just chatting here with the red clover, and lo and behold, I found this other rascal cleaving to it. This is cleavers, and they call it cleavers because it cleaves to you. So it's the cleaving like I love you, not the cleaving like, Freddy with the axe murderer chasing with a cleaver. Anyway, cleavers, gallium aperine. Oh, and he's cleaving to some flickweed, which is not cleavers. Go away. Anyway, this is the plant. It has a square stem, and the leaves come off radially, so they come off in a circle, as you can see here. And as its life comes to an end here in the middle of June or so, it flowers and seeds and dies. It's an annual plant, but it'll self-seed all over your gardens, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful herb. And you can see how it just wants to stick to everything, just got little Velcro hooks all over it. But anyway, this is a very common weed and a wonderful medicinal plant. Um, it's a pretty good diuretic, so you can use it for bladder infections and things of that nature. But the thing I like it for really a lot is for lymphatic drainage. There aren't a lot of plants that are lymphatic drainers, and so you can use this plant internally for swollen lymph nodes. When you get sick and your lymph nodes get all big and sore, this really will help those to drain. Um, Now it's cleaving to itself. Anyway, it's also pretty good for burns. You can make a tea out of it and soak burns. That's comforting and helps them heal faster. And what else? Oh, and it's a liver restorative. I'll be darned. A liver restorative. Now, not a liver tonic, but a liver tonic is an herb that makes the liver do what it does. Like barberry and Oregon grape and burdock. Those guys make the liver make more bile and flush itself out. Liver restoratives heal and restore and protect the liver. And there aren't very many of those. And cleavers is quite a good one. Another good one is milk thistle. But yeah, cleavers is a good liver restorative. So certainly, cases of jaundice or hepatitis or things like that, people that are on a lot of medications, people that are on chemotherapy, those kinds of issues that might be beating the liver up a little bit, cleavers is just great for. It also makes really fantastic camouflage, you know. Anyway, this is Dr. Patrick Jones from the HomeGrown Herbalist School. Gallium aperine cleavers, a terrific medicine. If you're interested in learning more about herbs, swing by the website, homegrownherbalist.net, and there's a lot of great videos and blogs and things you can learn there. Or join us in the school, HomeGrown Herbalist School of Botanical Medicine. Thanks for watching.